Alright. Tear up the flowers over here. Tear up all the flowers over here. Look at all this long grass. This shit growing in over here. In the grass. I gotta pull all that up to get rid of all those roots. They all came up again over here, so I had to tear it all up again. And we got the tree stump. What's left of this? Still a big chunk. Much smaller now. We got the grapevine growing in all over. We got this thing. Blackberries are doing good. All the wood chopped up. The whole backyard's open. Get rid of these stupid bushes. I'll put the shed over here eventually. All open. Stupid apple tree. I think these are, I don't know what this is. I'll put strawberries down. I'm not sure if those are or not. Those are no strawberries. See the little strawberries on there. Yeah. You can see one. There's one. A couple little ones. Down underneath some flowers. Some strawberries in here. Yeah. Put another compost right there. We put blueberries and raspberries up here. There's raspberries and blueberries up the top corner. Some more blueberries, and I put some bulbs over here, some flowers. See if they grow. Tree stumps coming along. Let it dry out. It rained all day yesterday. Let it dry out a little more today. We'll bring the chainsaw back out tomorrow. Get it going. We got lily of the valley growing in here. Some pink ones and white ones that I put down. Some sprouting up. And then these ones with big flowers. We got the blackberries doing good. Little flowers on that. Those are going to be big blackberries. We got the flowers in the pots growing. And the blue ones down the end. I know what I just chipped on. There's a problem. My next project is this wood, this 4x4. It's got a big arc in it. So that's going to come out, get fixed. Sandy wants to be a gardener, so she bought this thing. And her zucchini and her plums and whatever she bought's gonna sit in this pot for, I don't know, until somebody else does something with it. That's the way, you know, it happens. And that's it.